Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to show silent notifications in status bar in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So where to look for this feature? First we need to go to settings. Then we are going to open notifications. Next we are looking for this option right here. Hide silent notifications in status bar. So as you can see, this option is now turned on. So to stop hiding this notification or to start showing, rather we need to disable this function right here. And now we can safely close our menus and go back to the home screen. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.